1988 Monte Carlo SS with T-tops. This the one, guys. The last year for the rear wheel drive G-body. She's absolutely beautiful. It was purchased from the second owner, which owned it since 1990, guys. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. She got the stock high output 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8, backed by a 4-speed automatic. She has the stock N90s. Frame and floor pans are solid. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. She has minor surface on the lower doors. Nothing that's cancerous. Just knock it down with a wide brush and treat it with some rust converter. Deck lid in excellent condition. She has the factory RPO code sticker. I'll take a shot and pause it so y'all guys can check it out. Trunk nice and clean. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8, backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, AC, new compressor, power steering, cruise control. Interior is in great condition. She has all the options: power windows, power locks, rally gauges, bucket seats, console, T-tops. lower dash, upper. That's how you want to buy your G-body. Back seat is in excellent condition. Headliner good. Package tray nice and clean. Let's start her up. Mileage reads a little over 72,000, guys. She's running good, guys. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. Y'all have a good one.